Introduction. A legend reimagined. The iconic Tata Sumo makes a grand return in 2025, this time as the Sumo Gold Max Pro, a bold revival of a nameplate that once ruled the Indian roads. Known for its rugged charm and dependable performance, the new Sumo has been redesigned to meet the needs of a modern generation while retaining the original spirit that made it a household name. Bold and modern design, the 2025 Sumo Gold Max Pro boasts a completely reworked exterior that commands attention. With a muscular front grille, projector LED headlamps, DRLs, and a chiseled bonnet, the SUV looks tougher than ever. The body lines are sharper, giving it a more aggressive stance, while the high ground clearance ensures it stays true to its utility roots. Spacious and premium interior. Step inside and you're greeted with a surprisingly refined cabin. The Gold Max Pro now comes with dual-tone interiors, premium fabric upholstery, and a modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen. There's ample legroom for all three rows, making it perfect for families, adventurers, or fleet use. Tata has also focused on noise insulation and ride comfort, elevating the experience for all passengers. Performance with purpose. Under the hood, the Sumo Gold Max Pro is expected to house a BS6 Phase 2 compliant 2.0L diesel engine, tuned for both power and efficiency. Whether you're navigating urban traffic or rough rural terrain, the Pro delivers with improved torque, reliable handling, and impressive fuel economy. An optional 4x4 variant is also rumored, catering to off-road enthusiasts. Safety and tech upgrades. Safety has seen a big leap with features like dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, hill assist, and a reinforced body structure. The infotainment system now supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, with connected car features expected in higher trims. Affordable legacy SUV. Tata Motors aims to keep the Gold Max Pro accessible, offering multiple trims to cater to different segments, private users, commercial operators, and government sectors. Its pricing is expected to be highly competitive, making it one of the most value-packed SUVs of 2025. Conclusion. The king is back. The 2025 Tata Sumo Gold Max Pro is not just a comeback, it's a statement. Combining modern design, robust engineering, and value-for-money features, it promises to reclaim its throne in the Indian SUV market.